So I didn't want to believe how much this mirrors can make the difference. Like this wide angle mirrors can make the difference, and they make a difference. Trust me. This one is 11.4 inches, and it is so easy. I'm going to show it to you in a close up in a few seconds, but it's super easy. You put it on top, then kind of like squeeze this one right here, and it just goes on top. And it opens up so much. Let me show you. So I can't do this with one hand, but I'm not gonna change position. I'm gonna just stay right here. So you're gonna see this is how it is right here with the regular one. Same position. You can see how much I have over here, how much space I have over here. And I can actually see the passenger seat perfectly right here. If I go to the angle, I can actually see some of the side of the car. If I go to this angle, I can do it as well. It has kind of like a wide, I wanna say like a wide angle that sees, you can actually see everything. And it's 11.4 inches and just goes on top, so you even have access to some of the buttons that you have over there in case that you have, for example, the button for the garage like I do. You have that one, or you can just program it to the next one. But this is fantastic, just super wide, and of course it's gonna be a nice thing to have, so you can have that extra view you need. I like it. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.